Hello everyone, my name is Nita Goswami and today we are going to discuss the previous year questions on virus, viroid and prion. So the first question that we are going to discuss about is that from NEET 2016 phase 1. The question says, which of the following statements is wrong for viroid? So we have to find out the wrong statement. So let's read the statements. Statement 1 says, they cause infections, which is true because we know that viroids are capable of causing infections. Statement B says their RNA is of high molecular weight. This is wrong because we already discussed in the last video that the molecular weight of the RNA, the free RNA of the viroid is low. They have low molecular weight. The third option is they lack a protein coat. So that is true that they do not have any protein code. We know that the virus, it has a protein code surrounding the genetic material. But in case of viroids, they do not have any protein code. They only have the free RNA. The last option is they are smaller than viruses. This is also true. The size of the viroid is smaller than the viruses. So the wrong statement is B. Next question. The next question says, viroids differ from viruses in having. So we know that the viruses, they have a protein coating. Inside that, they have a genetic material, RNA or DNA. But in case of viroids, they only have the RNA, free RNA. They do not have any coating, protein coating. So now let's look at the options. The first option says DNA molecules without protein coat. This is not correct because the viroid, they do not have DNA, they have RNA. Second option says RNA molecules with protein coat. So viroids, they do not have any protein coat. So this is also not correct. Okay, RNA molecules without protein code. So viroids, they are the RNA molecules. They do not have any protein code. So this is where the viroids differ from virus. So C will be the answer. Next question. The next question is from 2019 NEET. The question says, which of the following statements is incorrect? We have to find out the incorrect statement. The first statement says, prions consist of abnormally folded proteins. This is correct. We know that prions, they are the abnormally folded proteins. We already discussed in the last video. The second option says viroids lack a protein coat. This is also correct. We just discussed that viroids, they have only RNA. They do not have a protein coat. The third option says viruses are obligate parasites. This is also true. We already discussed in the last video that viruses, they are parasite in the host cells. They can live only inside the host cell. Without that, they cannot survive. They are not even considered living outside a host cell. So they are obligate parasite. Obligate means they are must a parasite. This is a must to be a parasite, which is correct. The last statement says infective constituent in viruses is the protein coat. This is not correct because we already discussed in the last video that the protein coat is not the infectious part. The infectious part of the virus is actually the genetic material that they have. So this is the incorrect option. D is the incorrect option. The next question from NEET 2020, it says, which of the following is correct about viroids? So we have to find out the correct statement. The first statement says they have DNA with protein code, which is not correct because viroids are RNA. The second option says they have free DNA without protein code. Again, not correct because they do not have DNA. The third option says they have RNA with protein code. This is also incorrect because they have RNA, but they do not have any protein code. The last option says they have free RNA without a protein code. So this is the correct option. They have free RNAs without any protein code. That is viroid. The next question is from NEET 2022 phase 2. The question says, mad cow disease in cattle and C.R. Jakob disease in humans are due to infection by. This is very important and already discussed that it is the mad cow disease and Sayre-Jacobs disease. This is caused by the prions. So the first option, prion, would be correct. We are done with the previous year questions on virus, viroid, and prions, and this revision is very, very important for our NEET. And so we have done the previous year questions. In the next video, we will start a new chapter. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.